Hello there and welcome. This is lesson number 0 of learning Kotlin. Here I will set up the environment. Also I will include a hello world. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is tools. We need tools to do our Kotlin programs, right? So I choose 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 community. Also you can use Eclipse and others. I decided to use 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 community because, well, this is the tool from the guys that invented Kotlin, right? So I think it's appropriate. Going to the website of 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁, if you can't see the address, here it is: www.jetbrains.com/IDEA. Okay, so you go to the downloads and you want to choose your platform. Okay, Windows, Mac OS or Linux. In my scenario is Windows, and then you click on the side of community, download. Okay, I already downloaded the file. You double click on the file and the installation will start soon, I guess. Now is asking for permissions. Yes. And the setup will, yes, the setup starts. We say next. You choose a destination folder. I will leave the default one. Next. Okay, choose the download and install 𝗀RE by JetBrains. I think it's a good idea, right? Also, if you want to have a shortcut at your desktop, you can choose this thing. I think it's good. Okay, next, and install. So this can take a little time. So the installation finally completed. Okay, so check this, run 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 IDEA Community Edition, and then click on finish, and something will happen soon, I think. So 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 is asking to complete the installation. Import 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 IDEA settings from, and we choose do not import settings. Okay, 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 should ask something else. Yes, the theme, the UI theme. Well, I prefer the dark UI, but you can choose the light one. Okay, for me the dark is good. So next, now is asking for some plugins, for example for Android. This comes by default. Okay, if you click here on disable, you will not have this plugin installed. Okay, but I will leave everything as default. Okay, next and next. To start the 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁, let me put this away. Yes, now 𝗀𝗁𝗁𝗁𝗁 is asking for us to create a new project, and we click on that. New project. Okay, now we choose Kotlin / 𝗀𝗂𝗯𝗀 check. Okay, and well, this is a new installation of Windows 10, so I don't have any SDK installed. Okay, so this is empty. Click on, if you don't have any SDK installed, the JDK, okay, click on download. It will open a new page at Oracle, and then the website will ask me for cookies, I think. Yes. Then you choose JDK at Oracle's website and download. Then you choose accept license agreement, so you can download without this, and you choose your platform. In my scenario is Windows, so I click on the link and save. So the download of JDK has finished. Now I will install it. Double click on the file, downloaded file. Okay, it's opening. Yes, we'll ask for permissions. We say yes, and it's here. Windows installer preparing to install, and 3 dots. Okay, so we are at the wizard. We say next, and you can change here the destination file, the destination folder. Click on next, and then Java will install. So Java installation almost finished. Just a few more things. Is asking for enable Java content in the browser. This is optional for our case, but I will leave it checked. Okay, next. And finally, JDK finished his job. Okay, so close, and I guess it's all. Now going back to IntelliJ and our project, we have no SDK. Okay, so we click on new, and then we go to the folder where Java is installed, and we choose the folder, the one that says JDK and the number of the version. We select that folder and we say OK. Next, and we name the project Hello World. Okay, and finish. And I think this will open everything. Let's see the next step. The next step is actually doing our Hello World. So we almost there. Yes, it's opening and it's loading. Every time it shows these tips, don't show me anymore. Close. Some alerts. Let's expand this. I want to see the project view, so I do Alt and 1. So we have our project here at the left side, the Hello World, we choose the folder that says src for source, right click, new, Kotlin file/class. We give it a name, for example program, and we choose OK. Well, the first time that you install IntelliJ, the font size of the editor is very small, as you can see. If you want to increase the size, you go here to the file menu and choose settings. You go to the editor and you choose general, and in the mouse you can say that check change font size zoom with Control plus mouse wheel. Okay, so apply your changes and say OK. Now Control pressed, and with the mouse wheel I can increase the size of the font. Let me move these. Well, let's start our hello world. So fun for function and main for the function main. We say that it has the parameter args, the name with the name args, that is actually array of string. So if you already programmed in another language like Java or C# or what else, Kotlin is a little different. You say the name of the argument first, and then you say the type. Okay. Inside of the function we say print and hello world, and that's it. We can click on run this. It's building. Oh, and finally we have our output here, hello world. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and